Iboto natin ngayon kay Rina Villamor. Go ahead, Rina.
Yes, to play like there is no tomorrow, that is the battle cry of both teams right now. Katulad ng sabi ni Coach Roger kanina, there will be no replays, there will be no rewinds for this game. Kaya nga, they have to maximize their playing time. And of course, to give out their all-out effort. Katulad ng sabi mo kanina, malaki ang pasasalamat yan sa NU management dahil pinayagan dito si Dindin Santiago. And of course, dito sa Cagayan Valley team, kanina nga binibiro ni Coach Ness itong si Jen Reyes para maglaro sa kanyang koponan. At sobrang natutuwa naman ang mga fans ng Cagayan Valley team dahil bago magsimula ang larong ito, nagpamigay pa sila ng mga delicacies from Cagayan katulad ng pinipig, ng pastillas at ng banana chips. Noel?
Wow! Ang daming kwento doon sa report na yun. Sa Angketa Baquero Sports. Para dito sa kukunan ng Cagayan Valley. Paalala po sa mga nanonood sa atin sa GMA News TV. Tomorrow, Sunday, live po ang finals game number 2. You can see at the back, Milo Pablo in attendance dito para sa kupunan ng National University. Watching her teammate, Dindin Santiago in action at napalakas naman ang serve dito. Ito si Aiza Maiso. So 10-6. Parang pinatay din ang aircon dito, Michelle, ha?
Oo nga eh. Or dumadami lang talaga ang
Ang
tao,
dami tao,
Noel.
oo.
Wala nang bakanting seats kundi sa Gen Ad.
Sa Gen Ad nga, siksikan na rin sila doon. Caballero tries to dump it. Nice defense by Ruby De Leon. Pao Soriano. Eliza Valdez. De Leon running attack. Quesini! Juanita Cotruang. Patalim na serve. Jonela. Here's Angketa Baquero. Ruby De Leon. Here's Eliza. Eliza is blocked there by Pao Soriano and that is 4 touches. Late call but the correct call by Adrian Tabanyag.
Siyempre, hindi natin narinig yung pagparpita ng referee.
Right. Tayo kaagad si Nes Pamela. But it is now 11-7. Apat pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Smart Maynilad. Mikasas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Pao Soriano with the serve. Here's Ruby De Leon. Nice defense there by Wenas Eulalio. One more time. Napunta naman sila dito kay Eliza Valdez. And then Eulalio is there again. Ruby De Leon. This time para kay Quesini. Combination play. Angketa Baquero. Dug up there by Banatitla. De Leon tries to keep it alive. It does not work. At overreaching. Humingi na overreaching dito si Pino Quesini. No call. Puntos para sa Cagayan Valley.
Medyo mababa ang sinisset ni De Leon para sa kanyang matatangkad na spikers
Right.
tulad ni Quesini at ni Santiago.
And the serve by Pao Soriano goes out. 12-8. Smart Maynilad pa rin po may kalamangan. Consistency sa serve, of course, amidst this crowd. Importante yon. Here's Litawat, Pinok, Quesini. Good serve. Jonela keeping it alive. Tabaquero. Ruby De Leon. Oh, what a set para kay Dindin. Great thing by Tipachot. Pero tumama sa antena. Yan na, nagkaamuyan na ulit si Ruby De Leon at saka ito si Dindin Santiago. Tandaan natin, that was the combination that won NU the championship in the first conference. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Dito sa ating slow motion replay. Kailangan lang ng konting adjustment. Ruby De Leon once called Dindin Santiago one of the best attackers she's ever seen.
Yes. Siyempre naman,
6'2".
6'2".
Yep.
And her younger sister, 6'4".
6'4", si Jaja.
Wow.
Hinahanap pa si Jaja. Last game, nanood kasi siya eh.
Purely Filipino, ha?
Yep. Tabaquero. Cotruang. De Leon. This time going to Eliza. Eliza dropping it in. In the crucial Game 3 against the Philippine Army. Eliza, sharp serve. Jonela, good reception. Tipachot. Eliza. Ruby. Dindin. Jack. Going to Tipachot again. Oh, Tipachot. Walang katao-tao doon sa likod. At sabi ni Melissa Gohing, hayaan nyo, hindi na mangyayari ulit yan.
Alam na, babasahin ni Melissa Gohing yan. But syempre, ito si Kanika Tipachot, Noel. Alam niya kung saan ang butas ng kalaban niya.
Right. And you can see Ivy Perez is also there at the back para sa NU. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. Serving. Ito si Pomla Soraya. Ruby, quick set again to Dindin. Angga is there to cover. Tipachot, again finding the back line. And Roger Gorayev is very angry with his defense. Ruby De Leon gets to it. Galing sa likod ngayon, Cotruang. Nice dig by Tabaquero. Quick set, Reneth Eulalio. Ito na ang habol ng Cagayan Valley. 14-12. Dalawa na lang po ang abante ng net spikers. Oh, wow. or make that Soraya. Dropping one in front of Melissa Going.
Mahihirapan din naman i-cover yan lahat.
And this time, Soraya gambles too much at lalabas ang kanyang serve. Ruby De Leon, former finals MVP. Tabaquero, Soraya, Eulalio. Going is there. Panatikla, yeah, Panatikla will just miss. 15-14, hitting error kontra kay Maru. Eulalio. Here's Ruby. Going to Maru. Angge. Free ball. Going. De Leon running attack. Nice block by Tipachot. Tipachot rejecting Dindin Santiago.
Alam nila yung Tipachot, syempre iba ang training ng mga taga-Thailand, Noel. Alam
Right.
nila kung paano basahin ang mga spiker nila, kahit gaano katangkad pa yan.
Back reception by Maru Panatikla. Lamang na po ang Cagayan Valley coming back from 5 points now to take a 16-15 lead. The Dindin is turned back by Pao Soriano. Maru Panatikla, lusot kay Pao. And Pao nag-alangan. And what's the call going to be? Lifting. Kontra dito kay Pao Soriano. Nagulat doon si Nes Pamilar. Tied at 16.
Lifting, so no contention from the opponent.
And natawa na lang si
Valley.
Coach Nes. So, and we have the serve now from Dindin. Uh-oh. Third ball. Nagalangan kung sino kukuha. Jonela ay pinamigay. Out of nowhere comes Potruang.
Perfect height on that ball na hindi mo mabasa ng mga blockers ng Cagayan Valley, Noel.
Dindin Santiago ngayon. Jonela. Soraya. Soriano. Now Ruby. Back set ngayon para kay Cotro. Ang nice block by Pao pero lalabas. 18-16. Nangiiwan na naman ang net spikers.
Masyado nakabuka, hindi nakapasok sa loob ng court.
Yan, blocking 101.
Block.
Galing kay Michelle Gumabaw.
Siyempre, mahirap pag nalilate ka na.
Yun. Kahit saan bagay naman eh.
Dahil wala na sa trabaho.
Nagpanik nga ako kanina. Pagdating ko, naku, daming kotse. Saan ako
Pag late ka,
paparada?
kaltas.
18-17.
In our case, no pizza pag late.
Hindi naman. Pag late, yari lang tayo. Here is Maru. Oh, nice follow-up there from Pinok Quezini.
And always helps to have a 6-footer in your team.
That's right. Quezini, of course, 6 feet tall. At ito ngayon si Maru. Maru Panatikla. Tipachot. Soraya. Backset. Isa Maiso. Great defense by Valdez. Going. De Leon. Down the middle. Cotruan. Check ball. Puntos para sa Smart Maynilad. Tatlo po ang abante rito ng Smart Maynilad. First set action. Maru once again. Maizo. Soraya. Angge. And Angge Tabaquero. Kanina pa yan. Backline. I think they've scored about 6 points already going to the backline. Substitutions. Joy Benito and Chi Sae check in para sa Cagayan Valley. Na makikita natin dito. And I don't know if it's the position of Going or yung bagal lang ng mga kasama niya.
Siguro to si Going, syempre malilito ka kapag nawala na ng blocker sa harap. As you can see kanina sa play na yun, nawala yung blocker na si Pinok Quezini.
Oo.
So, mas malaki yung i-cover na
Nice
position.
passion, that's right. Good read by Panatikla on the serve from Chi Saed. Nakapapasok pa lamang. 21-18.
Ngayon ko lang napansin, Noel, no? A lot of the Cagayan players have a blue kinesio tape na triangular
Yun na nga
sa
eh.
kanilang mga braso. What does it mean?
At
Ted?
tanong natin kay Rina mamaya kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Here is Joy Benito. Ruby going to Eliza. Eliza off the block, kept alive there by Tipachot. She Saed sending it to Tabaquero. And Tabaquero misses. 22-18. Substitution dito. Joy Benito will sit. And Isa Maizo will also return. Papalitan naman ito si Chi Saed. Only one. This is correct. So dalawa magiging setter tuloy dito kasi late tumayo ito si Isa Maizo.
Of course, Chi Saed also functions as a spiker
That's
at
true.
times.
That's true. Tabaquero asking for a clarification dito about a ruling earlier. May warning na ibibigay na rito sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. Ang ating dalawang referee po, international referee na, Adrian Tabanyag and Efren Gaa, to ensure the quality of the calls here in this match. Soriano dropping it in. Eto, babalik na ulit si Aiza Maizo.
Good play by Chisa and kahit one man down sa harapan.
And now, Pao Soriano is supposed to be replaced by Pineda. May warning, may delay of game warning na itong Cagayan Valley. So kailangan bumalik agad si Sheila Pineda sa bench. Although Pineda will come in later. Here's De Leon. Soriano now going to Tabaquero. Potruang. Banatikla. Tinulak ni Eliza. Kinapos ang tulak ni Eliza. And finally, this substitution will be allowed. So Adamson for Adamson. Pineda replacing Soriano.
Kailangan daw kasi makapunta na kagad sa frontline. Hindi yung tumatakbo na sa bench, substitution na daw yun.
Very strict po ang mga rules ng substitution dito sa volleyball as Pineda serves. De Leon now sending it to Valdez. Valdez never got that across. Slow start for Eliza. At isa na lang po ang abante rito ng net spikers.
A lot of errors, no, Noel? Coming from the attacks of Eliza Valdez. Kaya backline, she started. Ayun, frontline naman, nadadala pa rin.
Pineda once again, sharp serve this time, going. And that will be a double touch. Here's Pineda. De Leon now. And that shot by Quezini goes out. Lamang na po ang Cagayan Valley for the second time.
A game ang kailangan ng bawal ko po nandito kahit yung smart talagang ang layo na lamang kayo,
Right.
Noel, 5 points.
Pineda continues to serve well. Banatikla. Ruby sending it to Eliza. Eliza dug up there by Pineda. Regalo. De Leon now going to Quezini. And with a little help from the net na nalinlang niya doon ito si Aiza Maizo. And now Quezini to serve.
First set pa lang ito.
Up. Oh, Jonella Tocaray off the ball. Set point, Smart Maynilad. Mataas pong lagnat nito si Jonella ngayon. She's not making it an excuse na para hindi siya maglaro dito sa ating ballgame.
And mas mabagal ang pagdesisyon mo. Pag may lagnat ka, syempre
Yes.
sipon, may irita ka pa sa feeling.
Yes. Well, Jonella with a good reception this time. Here's Angge Tabaquero. And Tabaquero, true to what Nes Pamilar said, isang magandang receive. Itatabla natin yan. At si Angge, nagawa nga niya. So the players have become fans. Tip and shot. Nice block, pero lalabas. Ruby De Leon now. Set point belongs to Cagayan Valley. So now serving the skipper. Tabaquero for the set. Bumalik sa panig ng Cagayan Valley. Soraya na going to tip and shot off the block, and Cagayan Valley comes from behind to take set number 1.
Grabe naman ang intensity dito, Noel. Parang akalain mo championship na nga talaga.
It is the championship. It is game number 1. Smart Maynilad was up by as much as 5 points sa ating first set. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Kanika Tipachot ang ating shaky play. At pati na rin itong Cagayan Valley, nakuha na rin ang set number 1.
Ito ang Shaky Swinig. Bira na.